Hello student, how are you? Hope you are all keeping good and you are doing your study very hard. And welcome everybody to Business Organizations and Management class. You know that we are doing revision class because we are getting preparation for the pre-test exam phase 2, and according to the syllabus we already have finished our revision chapter 6 and also we have completed chapter 7. Now we are continuing to the creative question solution, creative question setting and creative question solution. So um, what is the today's revision class? You know that we already declared yesterday that today will be the class on the creative question setting and find the perfect answer of the creative question. Okay, so let's start our revision class today. So at first we can see what is our creative question today. At first we will see the stimulus or a stimulator. What is a stimulator? Is Arjun Babu owns a reputed company. He is always vigilant so that the employees can work in a good environment. Every year go out every year go out of Dhaka with everyone. He has noticed this lately or recently that some of the his long-time loyalists are leaving the organization. He is very angry at this. After hearing all this, his friend Kabbo said, looking at the way the cost of living has increased, it seems that you have made a mistake. So you can see in the stimulus some of the directions given. You can see the some of the clue given in the stimulus that related to the motivation. So okay, let's see what are the questions, associated questions about this creative or this stimulus. Number questions, that is knowledge question. Who is the father of bimaterialism? Who is the bimaterialism? It means two-factor theory. Why is the why theory called positive? Why? And see, Arjun Babu, um, in which method of motivation they employ in his organization. And number D, in order to retain the staff, Arjun Babu has to look at other method of motivation, analyze validity of this or statement in the light of stimulator. So here is the questions. Number one, and number A, the who is the father of the bimaterialism or by elements or two factors theory? Who is the father, and why is the why theory called positive? And Arjun Babu, what type of method he is using or he used in the organization? What type of motivation? You know that two type of motivations are given, on the financial and other is non-financial. So okay, let's find out the answer how it will be. The first question it was, who is the father of two-factor theory? You know that the father of bimaterialism or two-factor theory was Frederick Herzberg. Herzberg invented the two-factor theory. So that is okay. And now coming to the B, question number B. In the B, you know that there is a two section. The one section is knowledge question. So what is the knowledge question? It will be the positive idea of the Douglas MacGregor about human nature in his theory, it known as Y theory. You know that There is X theory that is totally considered the worker as the negative attitude, and in the Y theory, Hasberg declared or considered that all the workers, they purposely or they automatically very active to their work. So that is why it is called Y theory is positive. So now coming to the another description of this question number B. In such a theory, a high ideas about the staff is not noticeable. In this case, the thought employees prefer work, they like to do work, and generally accept the work of the organization. They want to continue on their own initiative, and that is why the work environment should be created without putting under pressure on them. So due to such a positive attitude, the leader, the Y theory is called positive. So now coming to the C number question. C number questions. The Arjun Babu, who is using in the his institutions or his organization the non-financial the motivation system. You know that he ensured the work environment. He took the employees or staff to the out of Dhaka for the recreation. So these two were non-financial motivation. So we can say that he followed the non-financial motivations in his organization. Now coming to the what is non-financial organization, non-financial system or non-financial motivation system. Incentives that do not have directly related to the pay or money are called the non-financial incentive method. Example: good work environment, work appreciation, good behavior, etc. These all are non-financial motivation. So, what are the third portions of this answer? These third portions will be related and compared with the esteem. What was this in the esteem? Arjun Babu owns a reputed company. He is careful that employees can work in a good environment. So here is you can notice that here is in environment. And other thing is, in case he get them out of Dhaka for the recreation, so that also the non-financial, because they will be refresh their mind, but they will not get a financial facility from them. So that is why it is non-financial. So now coming to the question number D. In the D, there is a knowledge question. What type of motivation process should be used to retain the staff who have already left? So to retain them, we have to need financial motivation. So that is why the friends of Arjun Babu, Kabbo, said to implement in the organization financial motivation. Now coming to what is financial motivation. The incentive system associated with the money and the financial benefit is called financial incentive system. Salary, bonus, share of profit, advance the salaries, various allowance in the case of employment. So the financial incentive system will get them back to the organization. Now coming to the question, same questions, the other two part is left. So in the third part, there is a Arjun Babu has emphasis on the non-financial system and for the work. He also taken the worker out of the Dhaka for the recreation. All these things is non-financial. So his according to his friends Kabbo given a suggestion, and for the long time trusted worker who was loyal to him, they are leaving. It means that the outside the cost of living is increased, and that is why they are not maintain they were not maintaining their families with the proper financial service, so that is why they got out. So now, in the fourth part of the answer of the D, so we have to give our suggestion. What is our suggestion? In the context of Bangladesh, the employees given more importance to the financial the motivation. They cannot be more and more motivated by the non-financial motivation. So that is why in the context of Bangladesh, we have to give the workers more financial motivation. So you know that what are the elements of financial motivation. So you have to apply the financial motivation in your organization to retain them back. So this actually in the questions, and this way what are the answer I have written in the PowerPoint presentation, then you have to write the same way. So if you write this way, and you will get the full mark. So I hope you will try to write your creative question answer like this, and I can ensure that you will get what you actually expect. Thank you all for joining me today.